Casual Fitness Seekers. Today we have a great workout for you. We have our 20-minute dumbbell workout. Now we have a couple of special guests with us. We have our friend Jasmine. She'll be doing all your alternates if you have wrist issues. And we have Latrice who will be doing our standard alternates. Now if you don't have any issues, just watch myself, Peaches, and Maestro for our standard move. Now, doing this workout, we'll be doing 3 circuits, and doing each circuit, we'll be doing each exercise, all 4 exercises for 10 reps. And you only get a break after completing all 4 exercises. Take a 30-second break and get back into it. Now, once all 3 circuits are complete, we'll take a 1-minute rest and get back in it 2 more times. So guys, make sure you stretch, drink lots of water, and bring all your motivation. This is our 20-minute upper body dumbbell workout. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into circuit 1. Let's go ahead and grab our dumbbells. And let's get into those tricep kickbacks. All right, guys, let's get in place and let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna go smooth with it. All right, last one and we're done. All right, let's go into our bicep curls. Remember to keep those elbows tucked. Slight bend in our knees, and let's go. Breathe with it. Last one, then squeeze it, and let's go. All right, let's go into our arm press. Same side bend, just remember to curl up and press. All right, let's go. Two more, you got it. And last one. All right, let's go into those reverse curls. Touch those elbows and let's go.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know, it's coming out. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
No, I don't wanna win the war.
Last one, and there you go. All right, guys, we're gonna sit them down. Shake it on out. We got a 30-second break. It's gonna get ready for circuit number 2, our body weight circuit. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's get ready for circuit number 2, our body weight circuit. So let's get on down into those folks push-ups. And let's go. I'm on. Well, 3 more, you got it. One more. All right, let's go up. So easy, guys. Let's get into our inchworm. And let's go.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know. Coming out, I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war. I don't wanna win.
Great job, guys. 5 more. Two more. All right, last one. Let's get it. Last one. Pause it, and let's go back up. All right, let's get on down for 4 dips. Remember, pull those toes towards yourself. Shake it up, and let's go. Last one. All right, guys, let's get back up. Get up, shake it out. Before you take a break, go on ahead, guys. I want you to stay motivated, but don't hurt yourselves. All right, our last one, we're going to our twisting planks. All right, remember to watch Jasmine, have wrist issues, and watch Latrice for our standing altitude. All right, guys, let's get them down. All right, guys, get ready. Set, let's go. Eight more. Six more. 5 more. 2 more. All right, that's it. Got 1 more turn. Woo, and up. All right, guys, great job. That's the end of circuit number 2. Let's go ahead and take our 30-second break and get ready for circuit number 3 with our dumbbell combo. All right, guys, let's go ahead and keep it moving. Let's go ahead and get in our circuit number 3. All right, let's grab our dumbbells. Whew. Should be rethinking over about these 15 pounds. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into our bent over rows in place, and let's go. Five more. Last one, and there you go. All right, a fun one now. Let's get into our hammer curl press. All right, and let's go. Remember, don't jump with it. Don't jump with it. more. Two more. And there you go, relax. All right, shake it off. Thumb, put one of them down. All right, always fun. Get those triceps on. Let's do our tricep extensions. All right, let's get it in place. We're gonna keep it down in the lower position. We're gonna raise it and let's go. All right, last one, up, hold it, and relax. Woo. All right, shake it out, cause always gotta end on a high note. Let's grab the other barbell, dumbbell. All right, so let's go into our front raise and lateral raise. All right, get in place, and let's go. Eight more. Six more. Five more. Three more. Last one. Great job, guys. All right, guys, this was our first round of a 3-round workout for our 20 minutes upper body dumbbell workout. Thank our friends for coming out. Peaches, Jasmine, Maestro, and Latrice. Now, if you have any questions or comments, leave down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on one of our social media platforms. That's on Instagram and Facebook. Now, if you want to get your hands on some of our merch, just going over to casualfitnessseekers.com. And if you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you don't want to miss out on the upcoming videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button to the floating around about right here. And make sure you check out the video right here and the video here that's just for you. So guys, go ahead and stretch, relax, drink a little bit more water, and we'll catch you next time. Casual Fitness Seekers out.